Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm at the vending machine again, the one with the red color. Hot Wheels and Matchbox vending machine. Okay, the Toon Silverado, Lennon Rig, Lightning Bug, Lennon Rig, Bruiser, all the fantasy casting. And then Matchbox MGB, Cycle Trailer, Subaru SVX, Citroen Ami, which I may buy. And we have the Ford pickup, almost all fantasy casting. I see the Nissan Patrol behind. But to buy that, you have to buy the Robo Race and the ambulance. Toon Batmobile, Citroen Army again. Premium Hot Wheels, the A-Jeep truck, Mopa. Okay, to buy this Boulevard series, the Rover is behind. You have to buy this silver thing. So let's see what we have there. Team Transport. We have Knight Rider, Golf Beetle with a metal casing, Nissan GTR Police, Tarmac Works, Hot Wheels Legend Tour. You get 6 cars. Toyota Corolla, Mini, so thank you for watching. Interesting cars are expensive and behind. I have to spend 60 ringgit to get that Rover. But I'll pass for this time. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.